In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a tool on Zoom Toolbar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your Zoom interface and how to bring any tool back if you change your mind. First, make sure you're using the Zoom desktop app, since toolbar customization isn't available the same way on mobile. You'll want the toolbar visible. This can be on the main Zoom window or within a meeting. Once you can see the toolbar, decide which tool you want to remove. This could be something you don't use often, or a button you'd rather access from the overflow menu. Now, place your cursor directly over that tool and open the context menu. On Windows, right-click with your mouse. On a Mac, you can right-click with a two-finger click on a trackpad, or hold the Control key and click. When the small menu appears, choose Remove from Toolbar. As soon as you click it, the tool disappears from the visible toolbar, instantly giving you a cleaner layout. Don't worry, removing a tool here doesn't uninstall anything. You're only hiding it from the main toolbar, so the feature remains available. If you decide you want the tool back, look for the More or Overflow menu. Depending on your Zoom version and window size, this might appear as the word More or as an icon with 3 dots. Click it to open the list or panel of available tools. Find the tool you just removed in this list. If your Zoom window is narrow, some tools naturally move under More to save space, so expanding your window can also make them reappear. But we'll add it back manually so it's always where you want it. To restore the tool, click and hold its icon in the More panel, then drag it toward the toolbar. As you hover over the toolbar, you'll see a visual cue, often a highlight or a small insertion indicator, showing where the tool will land. Release your mouse to drop it into place. The button snaps in, and you can continue rearranging other tools the same way if you'd like. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If right-click doesn't seem to work, try Control-click on Mac, or check that you're hovering directly over the button. Not every item is removable in every layout, and some controls may be disabled by account policies. Your customizations generally apply on the current device, so if you use multiple computers, you may need to repeat these changes there. That's it. You've learned how to remove a tool from the Zoom toolbar and how to bring it back just as easily.